11. 11:30, I have to stop my live. My live. Okay, thank you po. Thank you so much. Ace Bricks and Pieces, thank you so much for always joining my live. Yeah, thank you so much. I love you guys. I love you. Hello, 2 million viewers. Thank you so much. Guys, nasakit yung ulo ko pag tinatali ko yung buhok ko. I'm looking too old. I'm old. I'm old. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for always joining and supporting my life. Thank you so much for always supporting my channel. Ayun guys, pa-follow ako and pa-share ako ng live. Please like, share, and subscribe guys. Ayun. Lagi kayong mag-join sa live ko. It's fun. I have I have to share my skincare, but I'm not yet beautified. Every night, I always do care my face na para ano, feeling maganda. Hindi guys, para mawala yung mga ano ko, pimples, tsaka pimple marks. Ayan, yun na yung kinaka-career ko. Okay lang kahit maitim ako, basta ano, walang pimple marks na, mamawala lang yung pimple marks ko. Mawawala yan. Ayan, day by day. Pag yung pimples ayaw mawala, alagaan ko na lang guys. Thank you so much for joining my live. You know what guys, yung iba hindi ko mabasa yung pangalan kasi ano para siyang sulat na taga ibang bansa. Hindi ko mabasa. Kaya hindi ako makapag thank you. Pero guys, comment down below. Comment down. I have to say thank you to everyone who's gonna always watching my live. Who's gonna support. You have to your engagement. Ayun guys. Nakakaamoy ako ng sigarilyo. Who gonna smoke? Who's smoking there? Please like, share, and subscribe my channel, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Though ang daming Pilipino na nanonood dito, guys. Ayan. Magti-thank you pa rin ako. Ayan. Ang daming nanonood sa akin. Lalo na yung mga Indonesian. Ayan, guys. Yung mga ano, mga India. Ayan, guys. Mga taga-India. Ayan. Ayan. Mga taga-America, Australia. Ayan, guys. Nakikita ko kasi sa ano, sa YouTube studio ko. Ayan. Kaya nakikita ko yung mga countries na nagsusupport sa akin. Like yung ano, Saudi Arabia. Saksak. Sige. Electric fan ka na doon niya binidik. Dati hindi ka naging electric fan. Yung electric fan ka na madam. It's fun. Guys, I can't live without this. Without